Promise keeper, we pass goalkeeper. Promise keeper, promise keeper, promise keeper, we pass goalkeeper.
So I was thinking, what can I give? What can I bring to this song? So I just brought my keyboard. I do like something like this. Just simple chords.
You are my promise keeper, my promise keeper, my promise keeper.
So I just brought one of my favorite loops that you cannot be a producer without loop. So something like this, and then other stuff, you hear that? When you are doing afro, you must not play with your rim. Because also you need to be heavy on your bass line. This is so this is what I came up with. Let me not bore you too much with so many stories.
The same yesterday, you are today, forevermore. You're my promise keeper, my promise keeper, promise keeper. Oh, and I know that your promises are sure. You've been fighting all my battles, you deserve all the applause. Age to age, you never change. Your promises are I give you all the praise.